Hello and welcome to Helton's Computer Repair. Windows 10 has seamlessly removed the ability to set screensavers on your computer. Well, Frank, not really. They're not gone. Rather, they're simply been relegated to a small, hard-to-find control panel. To me, screensavers have been fun for many of us, and they provide a nice distraction to look when the computers are going idle after a few minutes. But sometimes today, as new computers are running on TVs, they really want to turn off the feature by not having the screensavers. It's okay. I'm going to be showing you how to find and set the screensaver settings on Windows 10. Now lots of people are going to go to desktop and go to personalize. You can follow by right clicking on desktop, or you can also go to start, go to settings, and select personalizations. That takes you to about the same place. Now, it's not really the same how Windows 7 or Windows 8 is. They kind of changed their layout here. So on background, you can tell that we can only change the background layouts right here. Pretty cool. And lots of times people go to themes, and they'll maybe assume that screensavers may be in there, but they're not. You can change different type of themes from here. You've already went to these two places of background and themes. They're going to start, well, colors. What would be next? Well, the screensaver is hidden underneath the lock screen. Right there, you'll see screensaver settings. And by default, here it says that the screensavers has none. Oh, it's pretty bad, right? Well, one of my favorite ones that I've used before was ribbons. You can set the time minutes you want to choose. I'm going to go ahead and leave it as 5 minutes because I don't feel like having a minute. That's pretty quick and aggravating to me. And I'll go ahead and press apply. Let's go ahead and press preview. And not sure if it's going to capture this video, but I'll just see if it goes through or not. So here's the screensaver running right now. So I'm going to go ahead and continue and press OK. And now the screensaver should be active less than 5 minutes. Now, if you want to change it, you can go the exact same way by going to personalize and select lock screen and then select screensaver settings. But there's actually a simple way that you can do this also. You can have the same settings that you can simply by choosing a different one or just turning it off. Also, there's little tricks that you may need to search the web out there. You can customize these as third-party screensavers if you know how to do that. So if you don't feel like having any screensavers and want to switch it back, just be sure you choose none and press apply. Something cool that they also don't tell you is the power settings. You can choose how often you want the backlights to turn off and when to close the screens. Basically, it'll turn off the display by default on battery savers. That's my default settings, and I'll choose 2 minutes. And on plugged in, I'll choose 5. You can also change the settings of how you want to put the computer to sleep on both. That's an additional features. After choosing everything that you wanted, you can simply press apply and OK. And that's basically it. And if you have any other questions of how to do some cool tricks on Windows 10, go ahead and message me and I'll be here to make them for you. Thank you for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I'll see you on our next video.